All right, this isn't going to be my slickers video because I'm holding this in my hand and I talk with my hands. But I was just having a look through some of the old photo reading feedback forms. So let's take it first. So outstanding, great. What's this one under here? Happy, awesome, happy bunny, so excited, excellent. And it's such an amazing workshop. What's this one? Photo reading is the missing link between living a mediocre life and an amazing one. They've got absolutely beautiful handwriting. My God. Yeah, what we got here? Hold on. Let's get a bit of better angle. Oh, the the funniest, kindest, amazingest, not a word, trainer I've ever had. What did you like best about the program? Everything. How can we improve the program? I really wouldn't know. 2.5 days well spent. You'll very quickly get the time back just by being able to use the photo reading techniques. So in so many areas of your life, someone else is saying, what do you like best about the program? Everything. Already applying and playing with the learnings, keep adding the stories, sharing the passion, love the Huna and access. That's a bonus thing that we do. Excellent. Opens up endless possibilities. Best course ever. If everyone can do this course, the world will be a much happier place. Thank you for sharing your knowledge and passion. So I was just going through an old folder and I came across these, but this is reminiscent of what people say about photo reading every single time. And I've been a photo reading instructor since, well, I completed my instructor training with Dr. Paul Sheely in March 2002. And this one is a relatively small investment, particularly when you look at what people normally charge for courses, workshops of 2 or 3 days. And it's one that keeps on giving. Last year I was at an event at the town hall with the mayor. It was a networking event when I was a local councillor. One of my friends, previous clients, was there, and she was talking to someone. They asked her something, she answered, and they said, how do you know that? And I was walking past and she said, it's the photo reading. She says it just opens something up in your brain. And what was really fantastic about that is that she attended my very first ever photo reading class. It was when I was doing my instructor training. So Lynette Ayres, the master trainer, flew over from Minneapolis and sat in on my photo reading workshop, was invigilating from the back. My client was on that very first workshop over 20 years ago, when it's now September 2024 as I'm recording this video. And these feedback forms are from 2017. And she said, it's the photo reading. It opens something up in your brain. And she was at my very first class where I was just learning to teach photo reading. And 20 plus years later, it is still paying dividends. And I have had people say to me they were going to lunch on the second day of the course, and I caught up with them as they were crossing at the traffic lights, and they were walking quite slowly in serious conversation. I said, does it feel right? Do you know where you're going? Do you need any directions? And they said, no, we were just talking about the course, Marilyn. And they looked very serious, and they were. And I said, what? They said, you're not charging enough. They said, for the value we've had since the minute we walked into the room on Friday afternoon to what we've already received, and we're only on the lunchtime of the second day, you're not charging enough for this. And people always, when they come, they always say, oh my God, if I had known it was going to be this, I would have come years ago. So do not be one of those people. and don't be getting angry with me when you do finally come and go, oh my God, because I've had that too. And I say to people, look, I've told you what it is. I'm putting the information out there, so do with the information what you will. But if you want to open up endless possibilities for yourself and learn everything and so much more that you're being told you will learn, then please sign up. I'm running the final in-person photo reading workshop next month. If you're watching this in real time, it's currently September 2024, so we're talking about October. And Our website is www.transformationstm.com/photo reading. So that's TRANCE, F for Freddy, FORMATIONS, TM.com/photo reading, and you'll see a link there where you can click through. There is an on-demand version as well, so when I'm not running the when I'm no longer running the in-person events, there's an on-demand certification class. But get yourself into the room if you can make it to sunny Watford, and come and join us for 3 incredible life-changing days where your investment continues to deliver year in, year out, decade in, decade out. And as my client's very first attendee said, it does something to your brain in a good way. So yeah, come and join us. It would be absolutely amazing to have you. Their writing is absolutely gorgeous. Oh my God, I love it. So yes, come and join us for the photo reading workshop. And if it's not something that isn't of interest to you, but you know someone else who could benefit, then please, please, please feel free to share the details with them, give them the information, and come and join us for the best course ever. And as one of my previous photo reading attendees said, Penny Kroll, the video is on my YouTube site. She said, if you're thinking of doing any workshop, do the photo reading first, because it will help you with everything else. And I'll put the link somewhere around this video. And if you're watching this on YouTube, please feel free also to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell. All right, I shall leave it there. Marilyn Devonish, the NeuroSuccess coach and rapid transformation specialist and certified photo reading instructor since March 2002. Over and out, and I look forward to seeing you at either one of the virtual or the final in-person class. Catch you later.